people. So I know you are eager to join eProfitify or Philip Enterprises to for the sales role. So before you do that, this is what I need you to do. You go to eprofitify.com. Okay. On eprofitify.com, one thing you can do is just click on all of these and read what eProfitify is about. Okay. So that you have a full understanding of what eProfitify offers. Okay. So like this value to features, just go and click and learn. But the most important thing I want you to do is go to their YouTube channel and try to watch as many videos as you can. Okay. Like and subscribe those channels so that you keep getting new update videos as they're coming about new features, etc. But as far as for doing the job, as you know, that the ability to do the demo, okay, is one of the key characteristics that we need to ensure you have. So in order to do that, what you want to do is click on this live trial demo. Okay. You don't have to sign up or anything. Just go to live trial demo and click on that. That eProfitify, basically what it does is it will register a demo site for you. Like right now, it is registering that demo site for you. So it's creating and registering. And once that is done, so this demo site is registered, okay, you, I think, have access to 3 hours of use, complete use, everything you can use here. Okay. um, and what you want to do is so this is registered, so you can copy paste that and keep it in your like notepad or something. So it's demo 47, okay, like this, okay, just in case, and just click OK. Then you can pick any of these templates. So I would suggest you can select maybe the barber for services or restaurant for menu base. So let's click on this and click edit and publish. Okay. So this allows you full access into the system. Okay. So you can see that you have some a few hours of um, what do you call, maybe almost 1 day of access. Okay, but you can go and use this as many times. Like you can go to the site again and click on view live demo, and you will be able to get into the system with a new temporary site. Okay, but what that allows you to do is it allows you to come in without signing up, coming in and making all the edits like you might have seen. Like this is my page. So as an eProfitify consultant, you will have to basically create your provision accounts. Once you're selected, then you have to basically create your page. Okay, and there you have to present yourself as the Ramesh saying or whatever like that. Okay, you have to create your uh, page profile. But what you need to learn is how to use the environment. Okay, and also you have to record it, like I'm recording right now. You have to record your screen and imagine you are doing a demo for the customer. Okay, so imagine the customer is going to, so you should be able to open this and you should say, hello, my name is such and such. I will show you how to use the Profitify. I will show you 5 or 6 main things, and after that, if you have more questions, you can ask me. Okay, so something like this, you have to create a sales pitch with the recorded screen. Okay, and then you have to say, click here and just select all, or click backspace, and then you can type whatever message you like, for example, right? So something like that. Then you can tell them to change the picture, click here, or upload a picture. So use everything. Okay, to book an appointment, you can go here and you can change this. Then you have to save and exit. Okay, click on save and exit, okay, on the top. So that will save your what do you call, whatever work you have. And let me see it, insta publish. So at least you can see this. I don't know if you can publish and save this or not. I think you can, but somehow it's not working in my system right now. So if it works on your system, okay, maybe there's something here. Then you can go ahead and do that. And you need to basically get acquainted with the system and all this. For example, like you go to this, you edit the text, but you can go to styles, you can play around with this, like zoom in, okay, onload. So like this animation you can create. So just kind of get to know like what this entire thing is about, like this, like how this works. Or let's say the picker here, how the background color works, like that. Now it is reset to the right one. The same thing with the color. You can go around and basically change the color of the text and whatnot. So you have to get acquainted with how the system works. Okay, like even for images, if you're changing the image like this, right, then you can go to the styles. Can you create animation, right, for her? Maybe zoom out like this, right? So you there are so many options in the system. So you have to try them out and get used to it. Okay, and so that's the whole point of you getting the access. So so just try to do that. Okay, just try to use these features and get acquainted with it completely, and then you will be all set uh, for this. Okay, so please do this and record the screen and show us the video. We would like to see. It also gives you a chance to rehearse and practice how you will work with your system. Okay, and see if you have the natural skill to, you know, present such a technology to the world and to the customers. Okay, so I will look forward to that, and if you have any questions, you can ask us.